Good evening, students. In this video, we'll learn how to differentiate cos inverse x. So d by dx of cos inverse x, the same process which we had done in the previous video. We'll take it cos inverse x is equal to x. Then cos y is equal to x. Keep this thing in mind, right? Now differentiate cos y and cos x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x will give us dy dx of cos y and dy dx of x. Dy dx of x is equal to 1. Dy dx of cos y. First we'll differentiate dy dx of cos y, then we'll differentiate dy dx of y. So dy dx of cos y will give us minus sin y. We know that differentiation of cos y is equal to minus sin y, and then dy by dx is equal to 1. Again dy by dx is equal to, we can put this minus sign out here, so it will become minus 1 upon sin y. So don't worry about this minus sign, as we have studied in earlier classes, like 1 upon minus x is equal to minus 1 by x or minus 1 by x. All values are similar. So minus 1 by sin y. Again we'll replace this sin y by under root 1 minus cos square y, because sin y is equal to 1 minus cos square y, and I have already told you that cos y is equal to x. We have already taken cos y is equal to x, so cos square y will be 1 minus x squared. So it will be the differentiation of cos inverse x. Now we can write d by dx of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 upon root 1 minus x squared. This formula will help you in solving the problems which are basically given in the exercise 5.3 of NCERT textbook. So you need to learn this formula. But sometimes in the CBSE board, these examples are also given. Find out d by dx of cos inverse x for 1 mark or 2 marks. Good evening, students. In today's video, I am going to tell you about the differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions. First, I am taking the example of differentiation of sine inverse x. How we'll solve it? Suppose y is equal to sine inverse x, and if we'll write it sine inverse x is equal to x, it will not change the value of x, because sine and sine inverse will get cancelled, so x will remain x. Again let sine y is equal to x. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, it will become d by dx of sine y is equal to d by dx of x. D by dx of x, dx cancel 1. So d by dx of sine y, we know that this one is cos y, and d by dx of function, d by dx of y will take dy by dx also, right? Dy by dx of y also equals to 1. And now dy by dx is equal to 1 upon cos y. Okay, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon cos y. So dy by dx is equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus sine square y, but sine y is equal to x, so sine square y is equal to x square. We'll change it. Dy by dx is equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. This is the differentiation of d by dx of sine inverse x is equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. This differentiation of sine inverse x has a great role while attempting the questions which are in exercise 5.3 of NCERT textbook. In next video, we'll deal with some other trigonometric. Now, in this video, we'll try to solve d by dx of tan inverse x. These questions are very simple, but we need to take care of the method. Like let y is equal to tan inverse x, or tan inverse x is equal to x. Again, tan y is equal to x. Now we'll differentiate both sides of this given function. So it will become d by dx of tan y, here d by dx of x. D by dx of x will give 1. D by dx of tan y is, what is the differentiation of d by dx of tan y? It is sec square y. Again we'll take the differentiation of this function y, so angle y. So d by dx of y, it means dy by dx. Now dy by dx, this sec square y will move this side, 1 upon sec square y. In class 10th we have studied the formula of sec square theta, that is 1 plus tan square theta. Here tan y is equal to x, here tan square y. So it will become 1 upon 1 plus x square. So dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. So we can say d by dx of tan inverse x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. Good evening, students. Today we'll learn about the differentiation of cot inverse x. Right? Let y is equal to cot inverse x. Then cot inverse x is equal to x. Again we'll take cot y is equal to x. In all videos I have taken the same kind of methodology to tell you about the differentiation. Then the line differentiating with respect to x. With respect to x means we are differentiating both sides. Okay, both sides. So d by dx of cot y is equal to d by dx of x. D by dx of x is equal to 1. Here d by dx of cot y. So if we are differentiating it, so we can write it d by dx of cot y, then d by dx of this y also. Right? D by dx of cot y is minus cosec square y. D by dx of cot y formula is minus cosec square y. Then dy by dx will remain like this. Dy by dx is equal to 1. Similarly, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon minus cosec square y. Then dy by dx is equal to 1 minus 1 upon cosec square y. Cosec square y is equal to 1 plus cot square y. Formula for cosec square y is equal to 1 plus cot square y. This minus will move up. We can say that from this cot y is equal to x, we can convert it into dy by dx is equal to minus 1 plus x square. So this is the differentiation of cot inverse x. So finally we can write d by dx of cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. We need to learn differentiation of this cot inverse x, minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Putting these formula in a question which is a part of exercise 5.3, we need to take help of the earlier chapters of inverse trigonometric function.